Kisamla puli ke bele ye exam National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET kiba bapok undergraduate berpelong dengan National Test Agency menen kesengi kila mat ye kiba bun ki jing ye kiba khrau hakane ke jing exam ke jongki kat kum ke jing tu jo kisamla puli bat ki kimi ki pa ke bele ke exam po nong po le tu ba kisamla puli ki yo artli ki jing keli ta go we ke bal ai na po ka State Bank of India ba go pat ke bal ai lengba jong ke Canara Bank hadir bagi layo ikri ke jing keli kisamla puli kila keli ne kena exam baya kan aku jengkeli kan apa tho nen nak liang jengki nak exam kila ang beri tho baru arteli nen laya ke masikan tai epat kisamla puli kila yo jeng tip bah tho tanggawi ka question paper kadi ka jeng huri ura ba ka jeng kelmar kalon ra ka jeng ka bakhra bar kisamla puli kila kelmar jengmut namar ba kila yo arteli ki jengkeli mat kham tam ka bal ong ki beri tho tanggawi ka jengkeli nak liang jengki kila pen pa ka jeng kelmar jengmut antho ya ka bakum nu hai ba di ba kani susu kisamla puli kila pen pa ka jeng baladon ka jeng kelmar ka bakhra tang hapo nong po andrewat haki board ki benta jong ke Gentle district ru apo jawai haka baki samla puli ki don ki kamera ki basyam ki admit kan don ru ki bam syam ade ki bam pan ki admit kan habgan bi kila pathai khobon nak liang ka kong diblu ki bla ka breka code examination center ka bala wi khmat ya ka center kali tu baka Alpha English High Secondary School ada baka jikman banyo ya ka jing itu nak National Test Agency manogam ko wei nak jika tho exam nek ai ka belajar ki samla puli kebu ke jing ka bakhrau bat kolong ru ke jing daerah nya ka sarkar jela ha ka baya ke exam ka badan kam nak ka samla puli shimla penbet mahala ni shimla bu ha garanti ka bej ka bagi samla puli ki nyo ban tho exam ka garanti ka kelut ba tham ko du ka jumut je perkhat ka bakhia
nang kok nge kisam atli ka paper ha ka jo ko por te habang ikli ki kano bangin de ban tho ki ong ban tho lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban tho shwa ka e ki ong tho lang baro al tingir ngi tho lang baro al ke ki don ki ba tho shwa ka to ka badai don ki ba tho shwa ka bom dei begitu ki bom ba tho pare ka bom dei pat kilong ki shwan ong no pat hamar siteng jong ka exam ba kam dei ka to tho no ka to ka ba r1 te kum nong in tho pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam ba ru ka por kin ai khinyat bha ka extra yang ni kata aba long bakan syai bat ban tho be yang sesisin nama kenang bangin sutu ya ka e ka balaj bat ka e ka badai tan kata
kubli sebun ba la ta jing kling fi ha ya bai dei ba ta jing ja ba la ja nin long ba hadin ba ki khna kilami da exam kadan ke jing ayam ke jing susi sene sabar te ha bang la tabak jingmut bat kli i balai bala ja kumta nagal yang ki ong bang kilami on pandap lut on tho exam namar ba ha jaka ba kapor kan nong lai kan ta na banta news pa forma ki ha bana ta mang sha khat saus pa sa forma te anda bang la kli bai ni khna ki ong ba don gi ba tho da kata ka arwon kabade kane ka we badon ke betho kane ka r2 kane kade ka r1 kane kade ka n2 te kina hagama sedang gila tho da kane ka ping kabade ka n2 gila jandap mo gila tho da kane ka n2 gila jandap almost complete te siteng ta ka porpat inaga yang ngine ki bot nya yang nen kat instructor ki ong ba kane kam desu cancel no ba tho bade da kane ka r1 te haga por ba gila sedang tho ine ka r1 pat ka por ga langkot palat yo pos satang ko masikan tai e dan nagal yang ni ki ai por tang arpo minit men penda ban tho news pa arpo mak tang sikenta arpo minit lalong e ka ba e than ni khna jadi nei tai dau hadin bal awai ka tai ngilang e gendu i principal ang ne te principal i ong ba kamle ki jing bakalan ne le khnang namar ba nagal yang jong gi bor ba dei pha na NTA ki pha art ligi set kata ga we na Canara Bank ka ba dei gane ba na SBI ka ba dei gane ka ba stem ne te kila cancel no bat kila ong kumta bade bena ikna te haita ipor balangkot ngilawan kendu i mla on sim no ka destination mo te kane ki priang bat kane ki cancel te habang ilai kendu i principal i mla ban ai kana ka clarification habi dei bat kira ki fina te ki si ong bai ka jing bakala ka dinang ta te ha ka basdang ngir orang yang ngila ong hito suhun la ka hun ne komno anda bang ilai saying ngilap i phun lagi we phun call don ki basu si don ki bala yam don ki ba bom thiak te dam su naga dau ba kimi tho da kata ka exam ni te kan ne pi kala penlong ye ki kimi ki pa penlong artetin baka ne ka jing kendok ene ka exam nang baka ne ka NTA kala long ka jing bomhon kala long on fairments mo kala long jing bomhon te bang kta bat kalawe jang ki khna ha be de ba ka pule dang le jang ki halalong e ka pop na ki pop ko sniu tam mal bang ngimla ban ya sacrifice de bat ka future jang ki khna te lengba jang ki ne tin te nang liang bengi ngilai kendu ya imam bang ngilai ya rai lang menta ban da ka we ki jingmut rangkat i madam nang ne ba de sentar kut bat mangi ki kimi pa jang ki ne khna bangin hak segi bor de pet rangkat ki signature jang khna school ne ki khna ele kena ganit bakin san bat tho ikerteng bagi school jang ki te tang tahi benta bang kwa nang liang tengi.
Me as a brother, I feel very concerned about a student who attempted the NET UG yesterday because regarding the distribution of paper, two set of paper, in which one is false, one is the correct one. So in which my sister or brother who read the examination yesterday, after coming out they cry and they feel very bad. Then I was asking them what happened. Then they tell me that they got two set of paper, in which one they attempt more than 2 hours. So before starting the examination, they are asking which one should write. Invigilator is telling that they should write both the paper. So the student obviously they know they give two set of paper, then they choose the easy one. Then 1.5 hours. After 2 hours like that, they came and said that the one you are writing is wrong, so you should change the set of paper. Then the student they tried to complete as far as the end. Then to complete it, to complete the 720 marks within 1 hour 20 minutes is impossible. So they feel very sad after completed the exam. They came and complained us as the parent or brother. Me as a brother, my demand is to the NTA they should re-exam again the student who had a failure yesterday. And they should consider it because they don't send any expert from their side. Then they should have some solution to solve the issue here. I want to tell to the NTA to consider the student yesterday who have exam here in Alpha Higher Secondary School, because they don't get the same opportunity like other center examination, because they miss more than 2 hours for the NET exam. It is impossible to complete within 1 hour 20 minutes to complete 720 marks. So my request is for
उन लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया, 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर, फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है, तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता, हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है। तो ठीक है, हम लोगों ने दोनों कर लिया। मुझे 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला था, एक था S1 और एक था 02। तो मैंने पहले किया 02 को, तो 02 मेरा आधा हो चुका था। आफ्टर 1.5 आवर वो लोग बोला कि ये 02 को नहीं करना है, S1 को करना है। तो मेरे पास बचा टाइम सिर्फ 1.5 आवर था। तो 1.5 आवर में तो उतना 720 मार्क्स कंप्लीट करना बहुत मुश्किल था। तो वी जस्ट डिमांड कि हमें एक्स्ट्रा फिर से एग्ज़ाम लिखने का मौका मिलना चाहिए।
तो आप जो
मतलब कि हम लोगों ने टाइम तो नहीं मांगा, बट हुआ ऐसा कि होल ईयर हम लोगों ने वो प्लान कर लिया कि यस 3 आवर्स एग्ज़ाम होगा, 720 मार्क्स। देन सडनली उन लोगों ने बोला नहीं, सिर्फ एक पेपर करना है 1.5 आवर में। तो वो कुछ ऐसा हिट किया कि मतलब वी कांट डू एनीथिंग एनीमोर, फ्रीज हो गया माइंड वहाँ में।
Bank one or SBI, and it's depriving the students. But then whatever it is, we had served the SBI set of questions first. Then after sometimes we give the Canara Bank set of questions. And then I think then afterwards when I got about 1 hour plus, I got the director, then he said, oh, you give only the SBI one, like that. Then I said, okay, then we went back, collected the papers of the Canara box, so to say. Let me just say that to make it simpler. So we had collected them, but some students had done that first. Okay, so then, but then others, they had started with State Bank. Not all of them are thing. They had just, we gave the first one, they had gone.
according to the trees.
Yes, yes. And then when when time came like 5:30 and all that, I said, okay, we made there was a slight confusion there a bit, so we'll give them extended time. So I went to the rooms and I just said, okay, it's time for us to close. That was before 6 o'clock. It's time for us to close, but let's do it, because I think none of them stood up and say, ma'am or sir, we have not completed. It would have been very nice if students had stood up and say, ma'am, we have not done. Okay, maybe they're scared or confused, quoting that. Also, I cannot blame the students. But the thing is, NTA should have given a strict instruction or whatever. Communication is so much lacking. Till now, we don't know what to do with the box that's already here, packed. Yes, we had done all videography, we had done photography, everything's done, and I apologize to the parents from the center side because of the kind of a slight hitch there. It was not intentional. We actually, as a center, we want to help our own people in this area, and we are very happy to serve, and we look forward to NTA having more communication with all the centers. And I think there are other centers which made more previous mistake, in fact, as it is, which is very sad. So we have the parents here who had come just now, the delegation of parents and some students, and they wanted us to communicate with NTA whether they can sit and resit for the exams, the same exams or not. So for us, we want to help. If NTA allows, we can conduct the exams again anytime.
From your statement, you are trying to communicate.
So I told the parents, I said, write an application of some sort, a memorandum of some sort, because unless they write, I cannot forward anything, I cannot communicate anything. So they have to give me in official, an official memorandum and say like that happened, and that's what they wanted. So the same thing I will communicate with NTA, the city coordinator, which I don't know who is. Yes.
Okay.
And the ones who had come here from NTA are not for the exams. They had come just for, the preparing part. Yeah, the arrangement. Yeah.